Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we'll be removing and replacing a front fog light on a 2008 Subaru Outback. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to take these clips out. There's one here. Let's get in here. They are a bit of a struggle. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver just to break this free. This one's a little sticky. You're going to pull it down just a little bit, not too far, and we should be able to get underneath and pull it out. For the sake of the video, we took the wheel off, but if you had the car on the ground, you can always turn the wheel back and forth to gain access to this. So you can do the same procedure for taking these clips out for all the clips. All right, that's all the clips. Right here, there's a clip. I'll pull this clip out. Pull this inner fender well shield out so we can gain access to the fog light. There's a connector right here. You're gonna push down on the tab and pull the connector straight out. There's the tab, push down and pull it out. Pull the fog light out. We're gonna pull these two tabs out. Use a screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, just pry this down a little bit. And then also pry this one down. And then we can just pull it straight forward. And that's it. And install our fog light. And just with these two tabs, you're going to have those up. Line those up. And we're going to put our little retainers in. Push up to lock it in. Put this one in. And lock it in. And then we'll plug it back in. You just want to line it up with the bulb. Hear the click. And we can slide these inner fender wells back in place. And this is going to slide in under here, just like that. And push these push clips in right there. Another one right there.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.